right, y'all. We're finna go in Walmart and get these greens, pinto beans,
Get some stuff for
cornbread, sweet potatoes. We're getting ready to head in here.
But y'all gotta get some
Let's
stuff
get
for
it.
me. Since I'm here.
Who got to get some stuff for you?
Y'all gotta get some.
Oh, I ain't got it. You got to go in and go back out.
Y'all, since we're here and we gotta get a lot of stuff for tomorrow, y'all, I brought my money so I can get a couple of things. And she gave me.
And why is we coming back?
What?
Why we having to come back? Had to go back to the car.
Oh.
You done forgot that jacket. You act
Yeah.
like it's summertime.
I know, because that's when I was born. I'm used to it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course.
So you ain't used to all the seasons.
No, I'm only used to 2.
Okay. So let's flip it back around.
Okay. Yo, we are at Walmart.
Okay, come on.
Man, you're at Walmart.
Come on.
So, we are currently, we gotta go find a buggy.
This is ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. So ridiculous. Maybe we could get theirs when they're done. Okay, so we're gonna... Yeah.
No, ma'am, I'll get that before you, if you don't mind. All right.
Mission accomplished. We got a buggy. And now we are officially walking in the Walmart. They got a little golden retriever. That dog is so cute. It's on show.
Let's see if we can find some greens.
Let's go.
I don't see no greens.
Wow. Because we're supposed to be going to Target today.
Yeah.
And then
Turn
Starbucks.
around the other way, Tina.
Can't believe this.